What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be doing some Halloween nail art. Gonna do a haunted house. We're going to start off with 2 coats of gelish Tokyo a go-go, and we're going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. Then I'll take a makeup sponge and I'm going to use that with the gelish cream gel, and I'm using number 22. It's a dark wine color. And when you're doing a makeup sponge to make a fade or an ombre, the more pressure you put, the smoother and softer that effect is going to be, and the less pressure you put, the darker the ombre is going to be. So I like to start off with the top part, which is the moon, and I'll use the gelish art form gel for that. I'm doing it with a pastel yellow, and then I'll move on to my house, and I'm using the art form gel black, doing an outline, and then I'm figuring out what side I'm going to do my shading on. Now, typically on a design like this that requires some shading and some blending, I'll end up using 2 brushes. I'll use the gelish micro striper for my line work, and then I'll use the gelish mini striper as a blending brush. So you'll see that I use 2 different brushes. I'll usually go in with a liner, and then I'll spread that line out or blend that out using the mini striper. So when doing these types of paintings, I like to work from dark to light, and I'll put down the darkest colors first, and then I'll just bring those colors up lighter and lighter and lighter, usually finishing off with white. This is a really easy way to bring depth to your design, and you'll see with the tree here, I'm just doing a silhouette of the tree, and then I'll go back and add some color and some highlights to it. Most of the time when I'm doing this type of artwork, you'll see that I stabilize my fingers by using my pinky on my right hand to really hold still the hand that's holding the nail tip, and that's really gonna stabilize where I'm gonna be painting. I like to clean my brushes with artificial nail remover, and that is an acetone based product, but it does have conditioners in there to help your brush stay well conditioned. When painting landscapes like this, I like to paint the background first and then start painting objects that are getting closer to the foreground. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, have a happy Halloween.